I am Nelly. Welcome to 中国妈妈学英语 English for Mom. Today's story, Under My Wings.
On a small farm at the edge of a quiet village, two chicks were born on the same morning. The first chick broke out of her shell beneath the soft feathers of her mother.
The hen clucked low and steady, her wings curved like a sheltering roof. The chick felt darkness at first, then warmth, then the slow, comforting rhythm of her mother's heartbeat.
The world was safe. Inside a metal incubator in a bright, spotless room. A human hand lifted him gently and placed him into a wooden brooder box beneath a glowing heat lamp. The world was bright. The first chick learned by watching. When her mother scratched the soil, she scratched too. When her mother paused and listened, she froze. When a shadow swept across the yard, she ran without hesitation beneath those wide brown wings.
Stay close, her mother would cluck. Stay close, little one. The world can be a big, surprising place.
Okay, Mama.
That's my brave chick.
And she did. Every morning, fresh feed appeared. Water was always clear. The temperature never changed. He grew quickly, strong legs, clean feathers, steady weight. But sometimes, when the lights went out at night, he felt a strange emptiness. The lamp gave heat, but there was no heartbeat.
Under my wings!
Rain drummed against her feathers, but beneath her body they stayed dry. For the first time, the heat lamp went dark. The chick shivered. Minutes later, the farmer rushed in and restored the power. But something inside him had shifted. The hen-raised chicken moved with quiet confidence in the open yard. I had light, but not a guide. No machine can replace the shaping power of loving presence. Warmth from a lamp keeps the body alive. Warmth from a heart teaches us how to live.
没有任何机器能够取代充满爱之陪伴所带给的塑造力量。灯的温暖只能让身体存活，心的温暖却教会我们如何生活。
If you enjoyed this lesson, please subscribe and join our family. Next up, vocabulary. Let's break down some interesting words we just encountered. Welcome to our village.
Wow, Mom, what is a village?
A group of houses and buildings smaller than a town in the countryside.
That's right, and it's a great place to live.
Hello, my dear. Ready to learn about feathers?
Yes, Mom, what are feathers?
Feathers are the soft, light things that cover a bird's body. Wow, like on a duck?
Exactly, you got it.
The garden is beautiful, isn't it?
Yeah, Mom, what's a heartbeat?
It's the thumping sound of your heart.
Like boom boom?
Exactly, just like that. Look, sweetie, this is a metal incubator.
Wow, what's it for?
The medical device used for newborns. It helps keep them safe and warm.
Cool!
Look what I have in the garden.
What is it, Mom?
It's a brooder box,
A brooder box?
a heated enclosure for raising young poultry or pets. Look, in the garden, animals scratch the ground to find food.
Really? Can I try?
Yes, using claws or feet to dig slightly into the earth.
Wow, it's working!
Great job. Temperature, windu. Wow, Mom, what's it for? Used for weather, water, or machines, like the incubator.
Look, son, a storm is coming.
A storm? What's that? Heavy rain, strong winds, and often thunder and lightning.
Wow, look at the lightning!
Hey, sweetie, look.
What is it, Mom?
See the lights? Electricity flickered.
Why do they blink?
When the power supply is unstable, causing lights to blink.
Cool!
Hi, sweetie. Ready to learn a new word?
Yeah, Mommy, what is it?
It's shiver. It means to shake. Like this? Brr. Yes. You can shiver when cold, scared, or excited.
在这个有趣的几分钟故事中，妈妈和孩子们将学习新的英语单词。还有更多的英语单词：巴地找食、温度、暴风雨、灯光闪烁、发抖。
If you enjoyed this lesson, please subscribe and join our family. It's time for our Q&A session. I'm so excited to hear what you want to know. Let's get started. Where were the two chicks born? A, in two different villages, B, on the same farm, C, in the forest, D, in the city. The answer is B, on the same farm. Where did the second chick hatch? A, under a tree, B, inside a metal incubator, C, in the open of his wings. The answer is B, inside a metal incubator. How did the first chick learn? A, by reading signs, B, by watching her mother, C, by listening to machines, D, by being alone. The answer is B, by watching her mother. What did the hen say during the storm? A, run away, B, stay still, C, under my wings, D, find the barn. The answer is C, under my wings. What happened in the brooder house during the storm? A, the water spilled, B, the electricity flickered, C, the door broke, D, the chicks escaped. The answer is B, the electricity flickered. How did the second chick feel when the lamp went out? A, excited, B, angry, C, sleepy, or D, cold and unsure? The answer is D, cold and unsure. How was the hen raised chicken as she grew older? A, afraid of everything. B, weak and tired. C, confident and aware. D, always lost. The answer is C, confident and aware. What did the human-raised chicken often look for? A, more food. B, a bigger yard. C, direction and guidance. D, a new lamp. The answer is C, direction and guidance. What is the main moral of the story? A, technology is bad. B, storms make animals stronger. C, loving presence shapes growth. D, farms are better than cities. The answer is C, loving presence shapes growth. It's time to say goodbye for now. See you in the next lesson.